Today, we're taking a closer look at the new replacement Smart TV Remote Control, designed to work with TiVo devices and more. If you're tired of juggling multiple remotes or replacing batteries constantly, this might be the solution you're looking for. This remote comes from a generic brand, but it packs some impressive functionality. First off, it features dual compatibility, meaning it works with both infrared and radio frequency signals. This gives you flexible control options and a much longer range than standard remotes. So you can operate your device from across the room without worrying about line-of-sight issues. The design is universal for TiVo Romeo series devices and other TiVo models, including Series 2, Series 3, HD, and HDXL DVRs. It's also compatible with Humax, AT&T, Broadband, and Philips or Hughes digital video recorders, including DirecTV DVRs with TiVo service. Essentially, this remote is meant to consolidate your control, so you don't need to switch between multiple devices while watching TV. Ergonomically, the remote is built for comfort. The buttons are strategically placed to make one-handed navigation easy, and the grip is designed for extended use without strain. Setup is straightforward, requiring no programming. Just insert the included batteries, and it's ready to go straight out of the box. Speaking of batteries, this remote requires 2 Ah batteries, which are included, so you won't have to run out and buy them separately. The size is compact, measuring 2.5 by 1.5 by 0.5 inches, and it weighs just 4 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to handle. Overall, the new replacement Smart TV Remote Control aims to provide a simple, reliable, and versatile solution for controlling a variety of TiVo devices and compatible DVRs. It's ideal for anyone looking to replace a lost or broken remote or just simplify their entertainment setup. If you want convenience, compatibility, and a comfortable design, this remote is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on product critique. If you like the video, don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell for more